welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. As always, if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. I know I'm looking kind of shiny. It's kind of hot. It's so hot today, you guys. But as promised, today's Monday, which means you guys get the Monday mashup of hairstyles that I had created for Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, the reason why these styles aren't on Instagram is because my external hard drive crashed. I lost about 723 gigabytes worth of work. I'm done crying about it. So yeah, you can't keep a good girl down. You can't keep a hard-working girl down. So I'm gonna just keep going. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if there are any styles from this tutorial that you would like me to do in detail, like if you want the painful details, please do let me know and I will film it for you. For now though, do enjoy. I love you. Mwah! To start off, I decided to start this hairstyle with the bubble ponytail. So basically what's going to be happening is for all 5 hairstyles, the base of the style itself is going to be exactly the same. So I'm going to go into my hair with my VO5 gel and I'm going to tie my hair up at a top, like a top knot bun sort of, and the reason for that is because like that's kind of how each and every style is going to start. So that's the foundation of each and every style from now going forward. I'm now going to take my canocolone hair and I'm going to fold it using scrunchies into these bubbles. That's for my bubble ponytail. And once you have the right round shape that you want, you can now take your gold string and just wrap it around where the scrunchies are to cover the scrunchies. You can now take your bobby pins and attach the bobby ponytail onto your hair. The reason why I did this off of my head as opposed to attaching it first is I think it creates that round shape right at the top. And there you have it, guys, a beautiful style. To follow this up, I decided to go with a bow bun. Like, ain't it just cute? Like, I don't know, I just thought it was so cute. Some people would say it's for kids. I don't think so. So for starters, we're going to go with our foundation hairstyle. I am now going to attach my kinky hair. I went with kinky hair because I wanted it to be different. I thought it would be fun. And you're going to fold your hair forward and attach a scrunchie. And once you've attached your scrunchie, you're just going to part your hair into equal parts. And then you're going to roll up that hair that was left in the front and pin it right at the back. And there you have it. You have yourself a bow. It is so simple to do. It's so easy. The reason why I ended up adding that yellow cloth is because I thought it would just add some vavavoom to the style. I think like it makes it so adorable, it makes it fun, and I mean, come on, don't I just look like I have an actual bow on my head? It's so cute. And now this has to be one of the easiest styles that I have, and this is an afro puff hairstyle, and I'm just going to use my kinky hair weave. I'm going to put everything that I use in the description box below, including the name, so don't worry about that. So I'm just going to attach that onto my ponytail and go round and round and round, add bobby pins until it's fastened properly. And after that's done, I'm just going to add a flower for that extra touch, just to make myself look extra cute. I mean, it's spring. Have fun, people. Have fun. So for my goddess ponytail, I'm going to start again with my base hairstyle. But what I am going to do is I am going to fold the first part of my ponytail. And then I'm going to add my gold string to create that bubble. Then I'm going to braid it all the way to the bottom. And once it's braided, I'm going to pull some hairs out of the braid itself. Add my flexi rods, put it in hot water just to create that curl, those curls that are going to now make it a goddess ponytail. I think it's just curly hair outside of your braid. Like, really, that's all it is. It's so simple. And once you put it in hot water, because it's canocolone hair, it's going to shape itself and get curly so quickly, so you don't have to worry about it drying up or waiting for it to dry before the curl is formed. And then I'm just going to attach my ponytail onto my head using as many bobby pins as you possibly can, and a scrunchie to make sure it's fastened, make sure it's secure. You don't want to laugh and end up with this thing on the floor. So again, I am going to use my flexi rods to curl the bottom of my ponytail just just to add that extra something. It must always be extra, okay? And then after that, I'm just going to add my gold jewelry. And once I have my gold jewelry, I can conquer the world, guys. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Like, it's so simple, so much fun, and all of these hairstyles will take you less than an hour to recreate. And now for the fun bit, I'm going to go into my base hairstyle with my kinky weave. You guys have seen this so many times. I'm going to put the name of it in the description box below, and then I'm just going to attach it using my bobby pins. I'm going to create the fringe first. After I've created the fringe, I'm going to go in with more of my weave, and I'm just going to wrap it around my ponytail, fold it, and once it is folded and gone round, add bobby pins, I will now have my fringe and my full fringe and bun. And because I am nice, I'm going to come at you guys with a bonus style. So now, because we already have our full fringe, and you know, once you have it, maybe you want to figure out different ways that you can style it. All you have to do is take your head wrap, a doek, and then just wrap it around the center, and look at it. It's so simple and so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, guys. The one thing that I really loved about this week's styles is that they all start from the same foundation. So all you basically need to do is create a one style, which is your top knot, and then you can change it all week through. You can change your tops, you can, you know. It's basically like having like one neutral foundation look, and then you can change up your lipstick. So I'm going to try and do that again for next week, where you have one base style that you can spice up during the week to create different styles. I mean, the base style itself will take you about an hour. I know some of you guys have asked me in the description box, in the comment section. The base style itself will take you about an hour, or you can do it overnight to give your hair like enough time to properly dry. And then putting these additions takes you like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, but mostly like 15 minutes, because like, let's say if it's the braiding style, and then, you know, putting it in hot water, and then the bobby pinning and making sure that it's together. But other than that, it will take you 10 minutes in the morning to get your hair done. So one base hairstyle, 10 minutes, and you're out the door looking hot as hell. So thank you so much for watching. I love you, I love you, I love you. You guys are amazing. Mwah! Bye. Now, just do the damn thing. Just, it's right here. Subscribe, comment down below, turn on your notifications, turn on your notifications.